Let's unpack what network security group is. A network security group is a virtual firewall that will help you control and filter network traffic to and from resources within an Azure virtual network. NHGs are security rules to allow or deny specific types of traffic based on customizable parameters, which will provide a vital layer of security for Azure resources. Each NHG consists of a set of rules with properties that control traffic flow. Let's discuss those properties. First one is name. Every rule has a unique name to identify it within the NHG. Next one is rule priority, which determines the order in which rules are processed. Priorities range from 100, which is highest priority, to 4096, which is lowest priority. When traffic matches a rule, processing stops. So higher priority, which is lower numbered, rules take effect first. This means if multiple rules overlap, only the rule with the highest priority applies. Source and destination define where the traffic originates and where it's heading. You can specify an individual IP address, CIDR block, a service tag, or an application security group for either source or destination. Protocol specifies the protocol to which the rule applies, such as TCP, UDP, ICMP, etc. Direction controls whether the rule applies to inbound or outbound traffic. For example, an inbound rule might allow web traffic from the internet, while an outbound rule might restrict communication from resources to specific IP ranges. Port range identifies which ports the rule covers. This can be a single port like a 80 for HTTP, or a range which gives you flexibility to cover multiple ports with a single rule. And last property is action, which specifies whether the traffic is allowed or denied. You can configure NHG rules to permit safe traffic and block any unwanted or potentially harmful request. Azure evaluates NHG rules using a process called 5-tuple matching, which looks at the source port, destination port, and protocol to either allow or deny traffic. The system processes rules by priority. So once traffic matches a rule, any lower priority rules with similar settings are ignored. Key use cases of NHGs are control access to virtual machines, isolate application tiers, restrict internet exposure, outbound traffic control, micro-segmentation, and implement default and custom policies. In summary, NHGs are fundamental for controlling traffic and securing resources in Azure, giving you flexible, powerful tools to manage who and what can connect to your resources.